Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use iqoo mobile easy touch shortcut setting. Friends, you want to enable iqoo mobile easy touch shortcut setting. So friends, so now let's see how to use iqoo mobile easy touch shortcut setting. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. Open your device, phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here and open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After turn on phone shortcut and accessibility setting friends, three finger screenshot you want to use, you can on three finger screenshot. Screen split setting you want to use, so you can use split screen setting in iqoo mobile. Friends, scroll down here, open your phone easy touch setting and easy touch shortcut setting friends you want to use. So first of all, enable your easy touch. After enable press right side, you can see this icon, and if you click here, so you can on calculator app, screen recording, flashlight setting, easy touch setting you can use it. Message app, assistant app, calendar app you can use. Right side friends, you can see file app, Google app, camera app you can use it, browser app you can on and you can use it. So like that friends, you can use easy touch shortcut setting you can enable. And friends, you want to change your easy touch shortcut screen icon, so friends click here screen option, you can add here robot, you can add this orange. If you click here, so friends you can see orange will show right side. So like that friends, you can change your easy touch screen. Friends, if you click here, open your phone calculator app you want to on, so click here, you can on calculator and you can use calculator. If you click here flashlight, your flash will on. Easy touch setting you can use it. Search option you want to use, so you can use search option. Screen recording friends, you want to on screen recording friends, you can see screen recording will on and you can off your screen recording. You can check your screen recording, tap here, you can check your screen recording. So like that friends, you can use it is easy touch shortcut setting. Message app you want to on, you can on message app. Calendar app you want to use, you can on calendar app with shortcut setting. So like that friends, you can use easy touch shortcut setting in iqoo mobile. File app you want to on, you can on file app. Google app you can on and you can use it. Camera app you want to use, so you can on camera app, you can use it. So like that friends, we can use easy touch shortcut setting in iqoo mobile. Click here easy touch setting, you can on your easy touch setting, and you don't want to use, you can disable. After disable friends, you cannot use iqoo mobile shortcut settings. So like that friends, you can use iqoo mobile easy touch shortcut setting after enable. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.